What's the craziest thing you found behind a wall or in somebody's house?
So I'm going to say one that just came up. I didn't have to deal with it, thankfully, right? But two of our team members were. So we were working in a home that had some mold issues. So we were tearing out the drywall, and it backed up to an exterior wall.
Okay.
Well, not luckily, they tore out that exterior wall and found a full beehive inside the wall.
Active?
Active.
Oh.
So luckily we had containment up, separating that area from the rest of the house.
Wow.
But those guys in that area got bit quite a bit and got the heck out of there. But thankfully I wasn't in there. I'm glad it wasn't. I feel bad for the team that was in there taking care of it. But yeah.
Well, we found a couple things. So one lady called and she said, hey, my air conditioner wasn't working. I just need a technician to come out and look at it. We got up in the attic and long story short, there were 13 raccoons living in the unit.
Wow.
So
that's quite impressive.
I think it's been down for a little bit more than a day. But
and they were still alive and everything.
Oh yeah, like we moved it and all the heads just popped up over the ductwork. We're like, yep, we're out of here. And it was wild, but they had chewed through the ductwork and were running to it. And so there was like literally mud trails where they were coming in and out of the house and running all through the ductwork. And yeah,
I can imagine having to hear that.
Yeah, that one was interesting. And then
so with that, did you have to replace all the ductwork throughout the whole house?
Yeah, we ripped it all out, and so we had to have somebody come in and catch all the raccoons. And once they got that out, we put a whole new system in and got heat back on.
And then with that time changer, probably when they called, it was probably when they needed heat. Not
of course,
right? Yeah. And so now you're having to tear it out and see how fast you can get that system back and running before it gets cold.
Every bit, yeah. And you can do it quick or you can do it right. Mm-hmm. And I would much rather do it right all day long.
Yeah.
So.